Ashish this side. So in this video I'm going to tell you about all the details that you need to know about IELTS exam. So what we are going to cover in this video is we'll talk about the exam, important facts about IELTS, exam pattern of IELTS, and the eligibility criteria for IELTS exam. So first let's see about the exam. So the International English Language Testing System, which is known as IELTS, is a standardized English proficiency test for non-native English speakers. There are two versions of the exam. So you have two versions, academic and general. The academic version is for test takers who plan to study in an English speaking country, and the general version is for test takers who plan to work, train or migrate to an English speaking country. So now the basic difference in academic and general is academic for those who plan to study, and general is for those who plan to work or migrate in an English speaking country and those who are from non-English speaking country. Now the IELTS exam is accepted by most American, Canadian, Australian, British and New Zealand academic institutions. So if these are the countries, then IELTS is the one which you will be giving as an Indian student. The overall test time for IELTS is 2 hours and 55 minutes. Listening, reading and writing are completed in one sitting. The speaking test may be taken on the same day or up to 7 days before or after the exam. Each section is evaluated on a scale of 9, which is also known as the bands. So the overall IELTS score is the average of these individual sections. So one is you receive the score or bands, what it is called, in each section, and then on the basis of overall the average of these sections is the overall score is what you receive. Now next is the exam pattern. So this is sections, parts and numbers, duration, and though we have written total score, but this is on the basis of bands, so there is no score in this. Listening. So you have listening section in which you will ask 40 objective questions and the duration for this section is 30 minutes. Next you have is reading, in which you have 40 objective questions and the duration is 60 minutes. Then next you have is writing, which is general, wherein you have task 1 is letter and task 2 essays. It is of 60 minutes. And then you have if you are looking for academic, then you will have task 1 as diagram and task 2 as essay. And for speaking you have number of sections 3. Section 1 is introduction, section 2 is cue cards, section 3 is general discussion. So this is the speaking section, interaction section, and the duration for this is 15 to 20 minutes. So this is the exam pattern of IELTS. Now let's see the eligibility criteria for IELTS exam. So the IELTS exam has no prerequisites for any candidate who is appearing for the examination. The candidate should decide if she needs to pursue the general academic module of the exam. So say if you just want to try the exam, you can. If you want to go for study, you need to give the academic exam. If you are going for migration or immigration or for working in an English speaking country, then you need to give the general module of the exam. Now let's see the important facts about IELTS exam. So the score of IELTS is valid for 2 years. IELTS score is valid in more than 9,000 institutions across the world, and the IELTS exam can be scheduled throughout the year. So there is no time boundation when you can give it. You can give it anytime. It is almost accepted worldwide, and the validity is for 2 years. So with that we have come to the end of IELTS video. But if you are exploring other exams also, you can check all the exams that are available on this channel, be it GRE, GMAT, TOEFL, IELTS or SAT. If you have any query for IELTS or anything else regarding to study abroad, then we have given the details in description on how you can contact us. Please like this video, comment, share with your friends, subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. We have lot of other content also. If you are targeting any specific country, then we have video series available for Australia, for Ireland, for Germany, for Netherlands, UK, France, US, New Zealand, Canada and much more that you can explore. Apart from countries also, we have a lot of content on different countries, different universities and different courses that you can explore. I'll see you soon in some other video. Till then, stay connected.